Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's design is of sea beach, which I did on my friend's nails. This is based on simple gradient technique and does not require any special artistic skills. So I hope every one of you can recreate this look. So let's get started. I have used white base coat so that the gradient effect comes out properly. Now take a sponge and make the layers of the colors of your choice, but make sure all the nail polish bottles are open because you have to work really fast. Put the coats quickly before they dry up, and now it's time to dab them onto your nail. To prevent the skin around your nails from getting messy, make sure you have some skin guard on because cleaning later can be a bit tricky. I will provide my videos of some DIY skin protectors right up. After you're done with the gradient, smoothen it with some clear polish. To give the effect of waves, draw some narrow wavy lines using white polish and a thin brush. For the accent nail, I'm gonna do the beach sand design. Now sand is glittery mica particles, so I'm gonna use a glittery top coat on this. Now let's add a cute little starfish with orange nail paint. I'll use white nail polish to make the border of the starfish. So that completes today's design. I hope you liked it, and please don't forget to like, share and comment on this video, and also subscribe to my channel. I'm very close to 200 subscribers. A big thanks for watching this video. I will be back again next week with a new design. So till then, take care, have a great week ahead, and bye.